Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide power options from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide power options from control panel, go to search. In search type control panel, click on control panel. Look here, you will find power options and you can configure power options from here. Now I am going to hide these power options from control panel. Close control panel. In search type GP edit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative template and click on control panel. Here you will find hide specified control panel items, and now it's not configured. Right click on this setting, click on edit. Now select enable and list of disallowed control panel items, and you will find a show button here. Click on show. Under value, just type Microsoft M capital dot power P capital options O capital. Microsoft dot power options. Now click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. Now close local group policy. Right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type gp update / force. This command will update your group policy immediately. Click on OK. Group policy is updating. Now you need to log out your computer and then log in again. Click on start menu. Click on your user icon and click on sign out. After logging again, I'm going to check. Go to search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel. Now look, power options is not showing in control panel and it's hidden right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.